Hi, hello everybody. Now, today I am taking out the planning department is the most important things. As you students, you will aware that planning is the most important in construction field, while management field and money, financials, how to control and within the time achieved with quality management. So these are all included in the planning section. So planning in the sense of everybody is understanding like architectural plan, structural plan. This is entirely different, this planning PMC. This is related to management issues. How to handle the execution work. It is mainly involved in the execution of the work. Suppose you think like that, if you take one apartment construction about 5 stories building, so about 2400 square feet area, so how you are going to proceed the executions and what are all the requirements. Based on this, today we are going that some of the tools it is useful for you all need to be learn, because you people is are becoming a graduated in civil engineering. After that, what to do? You should be aware. Like PMC is a project management consulting. This planning is entirely dependent on the management systems. There is a 5 M's are there in management systems. Like as you people, anybody will know that 5 managements. Can anybody can able to explain that? Okay, first of all, you try to understand what is a planning. Planning in the sense of, as I earlier told, that it is not architectural, structural, or MEP related sketching, drawings, and submitting. This type of planning it is not. Yes, of course, that is also important. That anyway, that each consultant is there different types of architectural, structural, and plumbing, MEP. So different consultant is there. They will prepare that plan. But we are a PMC consulting. PMC consulting is a system built management to proceed how to execute the work. So it is purely depend on the execution of the work. Planning in the sense of that clearly it indicates that time management. Within the time, how you can achieve the goal. So that is the main thing is related to planning. Like suppose, as I earlier told that 5M is the main important things to manage in the planning department. Like, is anybody can able to answer this? What are all the 5M's is included in the planning department to manage the project management consultancy? Okay, I will explain that. The first things is the manpower. Manpower is the most important things. Without manpower, you can't able to execute the project. Architecture will give plan, structure will give the plan, but who will execute that? The workers is the required. There is a skilled, unskilled labors. That is the most important things. So this is called a manpower. They will like lot of category is there: masonry, carpenter, bar benders, different types of category is there, like MEP also, plumbers, electricians, all peoples is required, then only it will be work should be carried out. Of course, there will be site engineer is there for guidance and project manager is there. Everybody is there. But main role it will come to the planning department, because planning department is a system developed in the organization. If once the time of the goal of each activities they will create, you people need to execute on time, then it will be benefit to the company as a profit gain. Then they will appreciate that every staffs and workers have did hard work and achieve the goal. That is the most important things I am going to explaining today, and some of the tools is used in a planning to build up a very systematic way to execute this all and have control to execute the work within a time frame and achieve the company to a profit in a very good way. So I will explain each and everything clear in the season.